Starting around 26 October 2023, torrential slide in every practical sense is exchanging at $11.28 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.49% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, or so they in every practical sense thought. Avax truly has a quite all-out market cap of $4,005,828,044 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $302,031,911, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. This generally especially makes torrential slide, Avax, genuinely lovely positioning at 20 in the digital money market. In the event that you in a real sense certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of essentially is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide in a real sense be reasonably in every way that really matters, worth in 2023? Truly in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking in a kind of huge manner. Is torrential slide a wise venture or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023, or so they certainly thought? Will Avax value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they truly thought amazingly? These fundamentally essentially are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, in a sort of large manner. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023, as per the torrential slide gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost really is supposed to especially cross a by and large normal value level of $14.49. The normal especially least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to in every practical sense most certainly be $13.85, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking, or so they thought. Besides, Avax can in a real sense arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $16.26 in an all things considered large way. Avax value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide basically is gauged to in every practical sense be at around a by and large least worth of $12.11 in a quite enormous manner. The torrential slide value worth can generally arrive at a truly kind of limit of $13.77, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars, which for the most part is very huge. Torrential slide, Avax, value conjecture September 2023. The torrential slide, Avax cost for September 2023 may arrive at an especially least worth of $13.14, while the in every practical sense, truly greatest estimated cost in every practical sense, sort of is around $14.30 in a kind of significant manner. The sort of typical cost for Avax generally truly is certainly anticipated to explicitly reach $13.65 in September 2023, which sort of is very huge, which truly is very critical. Torrential slide value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide is supposed to basically in a real sense be at around a very least of $13.29, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, which is genuinely huge. Torrential slide cost can arrive at a truly limit of $14.85, with the fundamentally normal cost of $13.93 in United States dollars, showing how torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023 as per the torrential slide conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost basically is supposed to truly cross an especially normal value level of $14.49. The normal by and large truly least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the truly current year ought to generally especially be $13.85, or so they truly thought. Torrential slide value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the exceptionally most extreme cost for torrential slide could in a real sense explicitly stretch around $15.55, which in a real sense is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 in every practical sense is $13.57, with an exceptionally normal cost of $14.20, which generally is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost truly is supposed to in a real sense reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023. While the truly normal cost of Avax for the December in every practical sense stays around $14.49. Torrential slide commonly is specially past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Avalanche's cost entirely has shown an especially decent increment of 7.4% in the essentially most recent 24 hours, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. From in every way that really matters, most recent 7 days the Avax sort of was in certainly especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 26.53%, which especially is genuinely critical. Torrential slide sort of certainly has shown areas of strength for essentially potential of late, and this could be somewhat in every way that really matters, great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how from entirely most recent 7 days the Avax very the most part was in quite great vertical pattern and expanded by 26.53%, which generally is very critical. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax certainly diminished by 46.878%. Taking out an astounding kind of normal amount of $9.96 from its ongoing worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down certainly truly implies that the coin fundamentally sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a very decent generally purchase an open door for in every practical sense, speedy speculation, showing that these especially are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, or so they sort of thought. The 90 days cost change especially is near 36.58%, and the cost commonly coursed from a reasonably kind of least vary all goals and purposes, normal cost of $16.54 to pretty in every practical sense, greatest especially normal cost of $18.27 in the by and large beyond 90 days, showing how torrential slide value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide explicitly for the most part is supposed to by and large be at around a kind of least of $13.29, which truly is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide for the most part in every practical sense is somewhere near 6.60% with the truly lovely greatest extremely normal cost of the coin, entirely the most part was around $11.78. And the genuinely least by and large normal cost of basically was around $11.56 in beautiful beyond 4 months in a sort of significant manner. Torrential slide value estimate 2023 facts. What will generally be torrential slide really worth in 2023? The Avax cost really is determined to sort of most certainly arrive at a greatest degree of $16.26, with extremely least cost of $13.85 toward the finish of 2023 in an unobtrusive manner, which by and large is very huge. Torrential slides in every way that really matters have a future, or so they truly thought, which is very huge. As far as value, torrential slide sort of has an extraordinary kind of potential to truly arrive at new levels, showing how besides Avax can actually most certainly arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $16.26, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. It in every practical sense is estimate that Avax will increment in esteem, especially lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking, or so